What's up, guys? Today we're going to be discussing your account summary as well as how to place an order and what happens to your order when you trade. In the account summary section, as we reviewed before, you can see all the information about the current status of your orders, outstanding positions, your P&L, as well as the cash that you have. Additionally, you have maintenance margin, total account value, day trades, pending cash, so on and so forth. Some people like to see an Excel spreadsheet of a history of their executions. So here, you can actually enter your start and end date, export, and you're good to go. We'll be reviewing the order section in just a second, but this is extremely important as you can sift through all the different order statuses and all your different order types. Let's go ahead and jump into trading. Let's click the trading tab. As we reviewed before, eOption is an option-centric broker-dealer, and you can see here that you have your options chain ready to go. Your security information, trade ticket, as well as option ticket. Let's examine the trade ticket a little deeper. Here you can enter your symbol, your shares, your order type, and your duration. Buy, sell short, buy to cover. In the order type section, you'll have market, limit, stop, stop limit. For a market order, basically when you send your shares out, it goes to a smart router and it'll execute everything at as good of a price as possible. If you don't want to be exposed to the smart router, you can actually go limit, where you can actually set the price that you're only willing to go get filled on. Let's say that you actually have a position on and you want to put stops in place. Go ahead and press stop. Here you enter your stop price. If the underlying hits the stock price, automatically it'll go market at that time to exit the position. Stop limit, in contrast, as the stock hits your stop price, it'll put an order out at that limit price. If it doesn't get filled, it doesn't get filled. But you at least get to determine the price itself. Order duration, just for the day, or good to close. Over here in the option ticket section, very similarly, you type in your symbol, you can add an option, you can set different types of preset spread trades, you have your order type, your duration, and your limit prices. So let's see what happens when you actually put a trade on. This is very important as you'll need to keep track of the status of your order. Let's go ahead and do a simple market order. Say we have 100 shares here of Apple. Go ahead and buy. You can see now that your status is that the trade was requested, and please check the order status. So it's been submitted at this point, and as you press OK, it should go and hit market at that time. Let's go ahead and press OK. So, how do you know what the status is of your order? Go back to your account summary section, check your fills. As you can see, 1527, that was the last time my fill. The status is filled. It's added to my position. I can conveniently press close from this window and be completely out at market. As you can see, it says filled. This order status section is very important. Not all the time are you going to get filled on everything. Sometimes it takes time to get filled. Sometimes the order can be canceled or rejected or stopped, as you can see. There are 8 different statuses that you can have. New, filled, done for day, suspended, replaced, canceled, rejected, and stopped. At all times, you must make sure you pay attention to the status of your order, or you may have on more or less than you intended to, as well as potentially have orders out in the market at that time. Again, you can sort in any which fashion that you'd like in the order status area, as well as the order types.